What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be taking you through the setup process of IKEA's Hisso hanging parasol in the anthracite, which is reminiscent of a charcoal hue. Alongside that, I'll be providing you with an honest assessment of its assembly, functionality, and durability too. But wait, there's more. Stick around towards the end of this video as we also unbox and install IKEA's Askholmen Planter Boxes, coupled with some ambient charm in the form of decorated lighting of a LED table lamp and LED pendant lamps too. But before we dive into it, a quick request. If you find value in this type of content, your engagement truly makes a difference. Please consider showing us your support by liking and sharing this video. And if you haven't already, subscribing to our channel will mean the world to us. Your encouragement fuels our passion for creating more content like this. Thank you for your support and being part of this journey. All right then, let's jump right into the action. Although some might be able to get away with using water to fill the parasol base, however, here in Korea with its frigid winters, the water would definitely freeze and expand and compromise the base's durability. So I went with filling the base up with 90 kilograms worth of sand, which by the way IKEA recommends using in the instructions. Finding the sand was pretty easy here in Korea. They sell 25 kilogram bags at most larger hardware stores. When installing the Hisso Parasol, I must say the hardest part was assembling the base and filling it up with sand. Installing and inserting the parasol portion into the base was quite simple and not too heavy at all. Just line up the matching grooves of the stem and the parasol, lock it in with the supplied hardware, and affix the handle and you're done. Wow, what an awesome parasol. It literally works almost straight out of the box. Light, but has a quality feel to it. The stem and frame of the parasol is made of a strong, durable plastic, which I'm sure will hold up well throughout the years and won't rust. When fully expanded, the parasol covers 300 centimeters, which was the ideal size for my rooftop space. You know, I'm really happy with the Askholmen Planter Boxes. A great build quality, sturdy, and easy to install. Just a total of 8 screws and you're done. The bottom comes fully assembled and is held in place with 4 wooden dowels. The perfect look and accent for what I wanted to achieve here. However, the Sommarlanke LED table lamp was somewhat of a disappointment. I really liked the rustic look and design. It was just the brightness of the lamp being too dim for my liking. Powered by 2 AAA batteries just didn't do for me. However, the Sommarlanke LED pendant lamps were a great surprise, much brighter in my opinion. They're powered by 2 AAA batteries and better suited for the outdoors. And there you have it. By installing IKEA's Hisso Parasol with the adjustable arm, now I feel protected from the sun's harsh UV rays due to its UPF, ultraviolet protection factor. It has a UPF rating of 50+, which according to IKEA blocks 98% of the ultraviolet radiation. Moreover, thanks to the adjustable arm feature, I'm able to create more shade and feel more protected from the sun while gardening or just hanging out on the rooftop. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.